Hi guys, so today's video is an homage to Valentine's Day and let's get started. Start with applying concealer all over the lid. This is Maybelline Fit Me. I'm gonna spread it out evenly using my finger. I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and I'm starting with the shade Sandalwood. Evenly patting sandalwood all over my eyelid to set my base. Using base brush from Real Techniques. Next we use the shade Man Eater. I'm going to apply it all over my crease and only my crease because I want this pink to be the diffusing color for my smoky eye. Starting with no or least amount of color and slowly building it up. Blending brush used in the crease area is from the Body Shop. I use the shade Flamingo and again I'm gonna build up in my crease over the red that I used earlier on. I personally am not a fan of the blending brush, the one from the Body Shop, and I would not suggest anybody else to waste their money and buy the same brush. Don't. Product used is something awesome I recently bought. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette Volume 1 and I am so madly in love with this. I think I'm going to do a review and show you guys what it's all about some other video. Today I'm going to use the black in the palette now onto my lid. Use any kohl lying around. So all we're going to do is we're going to apply the dark black color onto a lid to build on the color that I don't think it'll be possible for us to reach with just the eyeshadow. So we're going to keep this as a base and then on top of this we're going to work with our eyeshadow. I'm using the Brow brush from Real Techniques again. I love Real Techniques eyeshadow brushes. They're really great and not that pricey. And I'm gonna go a little above my crease because I have really heavy eyes, drooping eyes, so I'm gonna go a little above my crease. If you don't have droopy eyes, I suggest you stay within the crease area. After the messy part of the eye makeup is done, I apply some base to my face. This is the same concealer that I used earlier on. I'm using this stippling brush from PAC and I really love this brush. This is a recent purchase and this was my first time trying any PAC product. I don't know if it's PAC or PAC, but I think I'm in love. So if you're looking for a nice blending brush, I think this is the one. You should definitely check this out. Next I use the Wet n Wild concealer brush to apply my highlighter to my brow bone and also the inner corner of my eye. By mistake, my camera stopped working at the time when I was highlighting my inner corner. I didn't even realize. So yeah. Finally, I apply some kohl to my lower and upper lash line. I'm using kohl from Attitude Amway and I'm like a loyal customer to Amway as a brand and I love using it everywhere that I can. Next, I apply some falsies. These I recently bought from a drugstore, a place near my place, and this was around 200 bucks. I think it's okay for like a video or something, but I don't think I'm gonna use it for like a party or something. Maybe for coffee, but not more than that. Lastly, some mascara. This is from Maybelline, I think Colossal Waterproof Mascara. I love this. It feels a little heavy on the eyes, but I don't mind the pain. And with that we come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please do subscribe. Thank you.